Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can create a custom brush preset to save the brush settings you frequently use as a preset that you can then select from the brush preset picker to quickly apply your saved brush settings. To create a custom brush preset, select the Brush Tool button in the toolbox and, if necessary, the Tool Options bar. Next, select a brush tip to use from the Brush Preset Picker pop-up menu within the Tool Options bar. To set the width of the brush tip, use the Size slider. You can set how the brush will apply and interact with the color of the pixels it is painting over by using the Mode drop-down in the Tool Options bar. To set the transparency level of the paint that you are applying, use the Opacity slider. If you want to use the current brush tool as an airbrush, click the Airbrush button at the left end of the Tool Options bar. To display a pop-up panel of various brush setting sliders which you can change to alter the brush stroke settings, click the Brush Settings button. You can then use the sliders to set your desired brush settings. Click the X in the upper right corner of the panel when finished to close it. To display a pop-up panel of menu options that you can control through a tablet and pen, click the Tablet Settings button. Then check the check boxes for the tablet options you want to apply within the panel. Click the X button in the upper right corner of the panel when finished to close it. After making the settings you want to save, click the Brush Preset Picker pop-up menu and then click the Brush Options button in the upper right corner of the pop-up menu to display a drop-down menu of choices. Then click the Save Brush command in the drop-down menu to open the Brush Name dialog box. Enter a name for your new brush into the name text box within the dialog box. Finally, click the OK button to save the current tool settings as a new preset brush tool.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.